Are you overwhelmed by managing your organization's data and structure? Let's simplify the complexity with Books365 Advanced ERP. In an era where efficient organization management is crucial, Books365 offers a robust solution. This powerful tool maps every hierarchy in your business, from group companies to profit centers and cost centers. It ensures a seamless workflow across connected applications. First, we'll explore the basic hierarchy structure. Books365 allows you to define group companies and business units, profit centers, departments, cost centers easily. Each layer reflects your company's legal entities and operational units. This setup lays the groundwork for effective data security and business intelligence. Next, let's dig into user access management. Books365 Advanced ERP provides comprehensive user access permissions, user roles, and access policies across all applications. You assign single or multiple roles to users. You can set user access permissions at various levels: company, business unit, process, and/or master records. This means that data is only accessible to authorized users, enhancing security. Now, let's discuss the primary master data mapping. Manage all organizational master data centrally. Limit access of master data records by company, business unit, user, and business partner specific. You can also group or categorize records such as catalog, accounts, employees, and business partners. Each master data records can be managed centrally and tailored to your needs. This flexibility ensures that your organizational structure remains cohesive and secure. Books365 includes all master data fields based on industry best practices. Additional fields can be included per your specific requirements. Ensuring the integrity of this data is paramount. You can set mandatory fields and validate user inputs to avoid errors. Moreover, audit trails provide peace of mind. Every change in the master data is logged. This audit history helps keep track of all modifications and user activities. Have you ever dealt with duplicate records? With system-wide integrity controls, Books365 eliminates duplicates and standardizes naming conventions. This fosters a clean database, easy to manage and navigate. Let's not overlook the user activity logs. Books365 maintains centralized logs of user accesses and actions. Administrators can view all activities in real time, ensuring transparency and accountability. Next, we can talk about the workflow approval process. Books365 allows you to configure approvals for master data changes. This adds another layer of security, ensuring that only authorized personnel can make changes. Importing data is straightforward too. You can create records manually or use the Books365 Data Exchange tool. With options like Excel import, SQL queries, and APIs, data migration becomes hassle-free and efficient. To wrap it up, Books365 Advanced ERP transforms administration and organization management. It simplifies data mapping, enhances security, and streamlines workflows. By implementing Books365 all-in-one Advanced ERP, you're not just upgrading your system but future-proofing your organization. Are you ready to take your organization management to the next level? Explore Books365 Advanced ERP today for unparalleled efficiency. Contact us today at startbooks365.